We interrupt your regular scheduled programming for an important message.
Grubs are killing our garden.
You're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
And we're out here today to get rid of those little bastards. Those things are grubs. We found another crop of them yesterday.
Yeah, all of a sudden the beans that we had over here that were doing pretty well and coming back from being underwatered started just flopping over. And when I checked the roots, all the fine hairs have been eaten off of them completely. And in some cases, there were literally no roots left.
So what we're going to do today is we're going to use BT, Bacillus thuringiensis, to inoculate this ground to try to kill off those grubs. It's one of two techniques that are suggested for getting rid of June bug and Japanese beetle larvae.
Right, 3 if you count solarization, but the problem is we're trying to keep our crops going, and you can't solarize while you're keeping your crops going.
Well, we could also use 7 and a few other pesticides like that.
I don't think so.
But that's going to be against what we're trying to accomplish here. We're trying to keep as much organic as possible. And using 7 is not on the list of things we want to do.
And it looks like nematodes and BT are the 2 best organic controls other than crop rotation, which has very limited viability, especially in our situation.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to tag team this. I'm going to be spraying the BT, and Irene's going to come behind me with the garden hose to water it in. Our point is to try to get the BT into the soil so that it can infect the larvae, so the larvae cease to exist.
Right, right. We want to return them to their natural state of organic materials.
So we're going to get started. It should be interesting, and we'll know in a couple of weeks whether or not this works. Time to get working. Now I have a sprayer. I have a gallon of water in it. Now what we're going to do is put a large tablespoon of the BT granules into the water and mix it up. So now I get to dance. Eat your heart out, Jim. And Jason. Now when we're all done with this, we're going to go take showers and wash all these clothes. Although BT is not a particular problem, it's suggested that you shower and launder your clothes that you wore during application.